What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these simple low-carb portobello enchiladas using ingredients you probably already have in your pantry. Start off by taking the stem off your mushrooms. Then using a spoon, we're going to take off the residue. I don't know what the technical term for this stuff is, but you can see what I'm doing here. Then I am stuffing them full of canned corn and black beans. Next, I'm adding some canned enchilada sauce. You can totally make your own, but we're not fancy here. We're just trying to survive this quarantine. Next, I'm shredding some Chao cheese. Feel free to use whatever cheese you'd like, preferably one that melts. Then you're going to pop this in the oven at 400 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes or so. And you, my friend, have made yourself portobello enchiladas. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. Please stay safe and healthy. I'll see y'all next week.